You can't just stand still in life. You're either getting better or falling behind. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you have a clear purpose and you act on it every day. The world doesn't reward those who wait for the right moment, it rewards those who move. Even when they're unsure, even when they're afraid, every little step you take pushes you closer to what you can become. Everything starts in your mind. Every great success you've ever heard about began as an idea, a thought someone believed in long before anyone else saw it. Before the world recognized them, they had already seen themselves winning. But thinking about success isn't enough. You have to act. Dreams without action fade away. Goals without action stay just wishes. Life moves fast, and if you don't move with it, you get left behind. Take charge of your thoughts. Take charge of your time. Take charge of your energy. Success isn't complicated. It's doing the small things others avoid again and again until you can't be ignored anymore. And listen, failure isn't your enemy. Hesitation is. Failure teaches you. Failure sharpens you. But hesitation kills dreams before they even start. If you fall, get up. If you fail, learn. If you hit a wall, find a way through or climb over it. Most people stay locked in their comfort zones because it's safe. But everything you want, more success, better health, stronger relationships, all of it sits outside that safe little space. If you stay where you are, you'll stay who you are. You can't wish for better and keep living the same way. You have to make a decision that you're done waiting, that you're done hesitating, and that you're going to bet on yourself. Say it out loud if you need to. I'm ready. I'm moving forward. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not too inexperienced. You have exactly what you need right now to take the next step, and that next step will lead to another and another. When you really want something, when the desire burns deep enough, you'll find a way. People, ideas, and opportunities will start showing up. You'll realize the world was always ready. It was waiting for you to believe it first. But keep this in mind. Desire without discipline doesn't get you anywhere. Wanting something is just the start. You have to back it up with persistence, with daily habits, with refusing to give up when it gets boring or hard. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the strongest. You just have to be the one who stays the course longer than the rest. And patience is your secret edge. While everyone else quits because they didn't get instant results, you'll still be moving forward, getting sharper, getting better. Life will test you. It's supposed to. Not to break you, but to build you. The way you talk to yourself matters more than you know. Doubt yourself, and you'll hesitate. Believe in yourself, and you'll act. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after it. So start moving, even if you're scared. You are not at the mercy of your circumstances. You are the builder of your future. The thoughts you think, the habits you build, the risks you take, these are the bricks that shape the life you're creating. Success doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen step by step, brick by brick. So keep moving, keep believing, keep building. Your future self is already waiting for you to catch up. Start now, stay steady, and remember, the only real limit is the one you accept.